volunteers to come up on stage to join you, please. Would you like to join? Okay, sure. I cannot see you guys. Okay. So what I want you to do is to sign the coin for me, please. Anything you like to write. So what is this? Your initial, J.A. Okay, let me just dry this one. And can you please come over here, please? And just tie my, you know how to tie a shoelace? Very good. Okay, can you tie my hand, please? As tight as you can. Oh, sorry. As tight as you can, okay? More? Okay, see this towel? Can you cover this with a towel, please? Oh, I cannot take off my hands, guys. Why did you tie so tight? Very tight. So, what's your name again? Sorry. Can you please untie now, please? Please untie my hand. Because it's paining. I'm so sorry. No, it's also see this deck of cards right here. What I want you to do is to pick one card and show it to the audience, please. Yeah? Any card you like. There you go. Okay. Then put your card anywhere you like, and then close the deck. I promise I will not look. Promise. I didn't know it's so weird. So guys, I didn't see the card, I didn't touch the card, right? But I saw you where you put it. You put it on top, right? There you go. The 4 of diamonds. That was your card, right? Oh, not this one? Uh-oh. But I saw here, you should put it on top. No? Oh, maybe this one. Oh, goodness. I lost your card. Maybe this one, 10 of clubs? Are you sure not this one? Can you show them again, please? Now what I want you to do, this 7 of diamonds, just try to push it inside, please. No, inside, not here on top. Again. Let me just cut the card, guys. Push the whole thing, please, inside. Thank you. No, inside, not here again. You push it on top, let me check you. Okay, there's no more 7 of diamonds except this one. Let me put it in the middle. And there you go. So not this one here and not this one here. So what card is this one here? 8 of diamonds, guys. Yeah? Okay, what I want you to do now, just say the magic word, abracadabra, please. So I can change this to the 7 of diamonds. Okay? Now, this time, what I want you to do is to pick any number from the deck, please, and tell me. 5. Okay, 5. Let me take out all the number 5s. How many 5s do we have here? Should be 4, right? Okay. 4 5s. And there you go. So you can see, did you see any more 5s right here? No more 5s. Can you see there? Okay, yes. Now, what I want you to do again, put them anywhere you like, please. Promise, I don't look again. Lovely. So guys, I didn't see where she put the cards, but I know where she put exactly. You put one right here, the second one here, the third one right here, and the last one is right here. Can you hold them for me, please? Thank you. Let me close the card now, guys, and put them on top, please. So easy for me to take all those 5s again right here on the top. At this time, 4 5s. Put them all together, anywhere you like, but keep them together, please. Promise I don't look again. Oh, there you go. Right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not here, right? Because somewhere in the middle, I saw right there. Okay, so 4 5s. How many suits do we have here, guys? We have 4 different suits, right? 1, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, ace of clubs. Okay, actually they're right here, I think. They're right here on top. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. Another one. Another one, guys. So, now can you name one number from the deck of cards, please? Seven of hearts. So you like that card? I'll give you one chance to change it. Second chance. Until you get the card. No? Just the seven of hearts. Final answer. Last chance. No? Okay. Seven of hearts. You guys, before I start here, I have this envelope right here. And it's locked. Okay. So as you can see, it's locked. Yeah? And I think I have something here inside. This is a brand new deck of cards. This is totally sealed by the plastic. Yeah? But I don't know how to open this one. Oh, maybe right here. So let me open this card. Okay, a brand new deck of cards. Once again, sorry guys, it takes time. Okay, there you go. Now it's brand new, old now. Okay, just open again this one. Okay, Mom, what card did you say again? A seven of hearts. But I give you three chances. You don't change your card. Are you sure? You like to change one more time? No? Guys, as you can see, this brand new deck of cards, all the cards here are all face up. Except with one card, which is your seven of hearts. Okay.
These words I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, the way that things have been. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. The master of my sea. I was broken from a young age, tricking my soul into the masses, running my own rounds for the things that look at me, shaking me, feeling, receiving from heartache, from the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my message, from the bottom, seeing me through the
If tomorrow all the things were gone, let go of my life, and I had to start again with just me children and my wife. I thank my lucky star to be leading here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I dare stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the land. From the lake of Minnesota, from the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from the sea of shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston, from New York to LA, where there's pride